If you love eggplant, then this is the perfect pasta dish for you. It's very simple and super tasty. We're going to start by making a base with spring onions. First, chop up the bulb. Then cut the rest into thin slices. First, pour a splash of oil into the pan, brown the onion for a few minutes, and in the meantime, cut the eggplant into cubes. Start by cutting the eggplant into slices first, then into sticks, and finally, into cubes of about 1 centimeter each. Now the spring onion is ready. It's time to add the eggplant. Salt and pepper. Leave the eggplant and spring onion to cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. In the meantime, you can cut the cherry tomatoes into quarters. When the eggplant is nice and brown and full of flavor, you can add the tomatoes, leave to cook for a few minutes, and cook the sedanini in the meantime. Once the pasta is cooked al dente, strain it and add it straight into the pan, pour in a little of the cooking water, and mix everything together well. Finally, finish off with some fresh basil. Now you can serve up a generous helping. And finally, we've reached my favorite moment. Time to taste it. Try it out at home and let me know what you think. Et bon appétit!